So you want to put the cable all the way down at the bottom. You want to come up and stand as close to the cable machine as you can, but you don't want it to slide and hit you and rip your clothes. We got to stay good looking here. So go ahead, grab that cable, shoulders back and down, chest up, hand on your side, or you could even put your hand on the machine. Just make sure that this thing doesn't whip you. So make sure it's a non-moving part on the machine. So chest up, abs are tight, knees slightly bent. The wrist is going to be straight throughout the set. Elbow slightly bent as well. Go ahead, bring up your arm till the wrist lines up with the shoulder. Elbow, remember, slightly bent. And don't move your arm back and forth throughout the set. You want to keep it lined up with that mid-deltoid. So come all the way down right there till your hand meets your side, and then come up, blowing out, up, and hit that shoulder. Breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way in.